So it's National Patty Melt Day. I don't even know if there is a National Patty Melt Day, but it's Patty Melt Day here. And that's what we're going to do today. It's coming up right now. Everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike. I know it's been a while since you've seen me here on this channel, but I do the best I can to keep up with content. So thank you very much for all of your support. Don't forget to check out the website for some cool merch. There's a lot of ways you can support the channel down below. And without any further ado, I want to get started on this recipe. When I was a kid, I used to go to a lot of little family restaurants with my dad, and my dad used to like patty melts. And I know there's a lot of different ways you can do patty melts. Today's the way that I remember patty melts growing up and the way I like patty melts. So this is the way I'm going to present it to you today. So we're going to start this off with an onion. I get a lot of knives and seasonings and stuff sent to the show, and a lot of them I use and a lot of them you never see. If there's one that stands out sometimes, I will show it to you. And this company here, Kyoku, they make a really good knife. This thing is very well balanced and easy to cut with. So I wanted to share it with you because there's a lot of different brands for different products that I share. This is just one of those that was a bit of a standout for me that was sent in. And I will have a link down below. It's not an affiliate link, but it's a link to their website if you want to check it out. So let's cut this. Top and bottom, down the middle. Now you can cut these onions into small squares. I always remember patty melts having the nice stringy onions, so that's what we're going to go for today. The shape or the contour of the onion. Now let me just get these moved over. In total, this is everything that we're working with here. I have 2 burger patties here. We're actually going to be smashing these, and these are probably a little bit over a quarter pound. I want this to be full and I want it to be big. I bought some good rye bread for this, and this is not a dark rye. This is really like a lighter rye, but that's what I prefer. We've got some leaf lettuce just for presentation, some pickles because I just love pickles. We have our onions. I've got some salt, pepper, and garlic for seasoning, some pads of butter that we're going to use throughout the cook for the burger patties, the onions, and the bread when we toast it. And here's where things might get a little controversial. I always remember patty melts having Thousand Island dressing on them, so I like them that way, and I'm going to put this on mine. If you don't like Thousand Island dressing, just use mayonnaise or mustard, whatever it is that you like. And I also have some nice deli-style cheddar cheese to go on these patties. Now, if I forgot anything here, like I almost forgot that cheese, then we're going to figure it out along the way. But don't forget, I'll have all the recipe information down in the description. Now, we're going to do this cook out on the Blackstone Griddle today. I've already got it preheated, and I just got to get all these cameras drug out there, probably a light or two, and get everything focused and set up. So I'll see you when we're ready to go. It's a little colder and windy out here than I expected, so I hope we don't have any audio issues. But I've got my griddle top nice and hot, and I'm ready to start with my onions. So I'm just going to drop a pat of butter or 2 here and get my onions down. I'm going to hit those up with a little seasoning. It's just salt, pepper, and garlic. And I just want to let these render down just a little bit. It shouldn't take more than just a few minutes. And as usual, my dog Javy, he's just scratching at this patio door here trying to get out here because he smells this. Just keep working these. Now, just so you know how I have this set up, this griddle has 4 burners. I have the burner on the far left, the one next to that, and the one next to that on like a medium high, and then my far right side here, over here all the way on that side, that's just on low, and sometimes I'll even turn it off. It's more or less like a keep warm station, so that's where, when I get these onions almost where I want them and I'm ready to put these burger patties on, I'm going to slide those onions over there just to keep them warm and kind of keep them moving along, but without burning them. Now I'm also going to go ahead and drop some butter down here to toast my bread. Let's check this bread. Oh yeah, that's looking real good. That one's even a little crusty. I'll move that here under the lower heat. Just get a little toast on that side too. Okay, my bread is good to go. Okay, these onions look really good to me. This is about 90% to where I want them. They've got some color, they're nice, they've got a little bit of char. So I'm gonna push these off to the side. Turn that burner off just to keep them kind of cooking and rendering, but not burning. And now for the fun part. Put some butter down. Get these patties down here. And give each one a good smash. I hope you can hear me, but I like to kind of circle this just to get those edges formed. There we go, next patty. I just want to hit these up with a little seasoning, and believe it or not, these are already ready to flip. And I'm going to use my larger spatula for this. Just going to kind of separate it from the griddle top. Oh man, look at that crust. Got a little piece that came off here, but that's going to be just as good. Look at that beautiful crust. Cheese on top of both of these. A little steam to get that melted. Okay, I'm going to reposition these cameras so I can get you a close-up of this build. Okay, here we go. So I always remember these being served on top of some leaf lettuce. For what reason, I have no idea, but it's just a memory I have as a kid, so I'm going to go with the same look. First patty down. Second patty down, and just look at these nice crispy edges here. That is the hallmark of a smash burger. And I got some cheese sticking in my glove here. And we're just gonna pile these onions on here. That is so gorgeous. Now some of that Thousand Island dressing. And our crown. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get a couple thumbnail photos and then I'll finish kind of serving up this plate and I'll meet you inside for the taste test. You know, I love doing burger videos. As my dog is trolling around me here, you can hear his nails on the floor. Hold on, buddy, I'll give you a little snack in a second. I love doing burger videos because they're so much fun to do. They're so delicious. You can be so creative with them. And I have a lot of memories as a kid as it pertains to burgers. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see me do more burgers, you know, and maybe give me some ideas. I really, really love to do those videos. So I think it would be awesome if I had some ideas or some feedback from you, so let me know down in the comments. Anyway, this turned out absolutely spectacular. You can see it's beautiful. Served it up with some fries. Got a little extra Thousand Island dressing here for dipping for the fries or whatever. And there's really nothing left to do but to get into this and cut it and try it. So let's do that. Maybe right about there. Let the knife do the work. And make sure I am good to go here. Just take a look at that. I mean, does that look delicious or what? I'll show you on this camera too. Nice caramelized onion. Beautiful crispy edges on this burger. And I'll show you what I mean. You can just see those edges. That nice crispiness that just provides so much flavor, so much more flavor to a burger than just a regular burger. Like I always say, cheers everybody. Wish you were here. I would share this with you. Not with all of you because there's not enough, but maybe a few of you. Cheers. You should see my dog here. Let me give Javy a fry here right quick. There you go, buddy. You know, I remember my dad as a kid when we'd be out eating. If he had something that I thought looked good, he'd always share it with me. And this really brings back a lot of memories for me. So my dad's been gone for over a year, so you know, doing stuff like this, it really helps me get through it, and I don't want to get teary-eyed. So yeah, this brings back a lot of memories. I mean, this is just how I remember it as a kid. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I really appreciate all your support. Don't forget all the information for this recipe and some links down below to support the channel will be there. Leave me a comment, it helps the channel. Like this video. Take care, till next time. I'll see you on the next episode.